I'm Emily from Motor Match in Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this automatic Ford Kuga in grey. This stylish SUV boasts a 2.5 litre petrol hybrid engine and meets Euro 6 emission standards. When looking at the front of the vehicle to ensure that the road ahead is always fully illuminated, you benefit from your LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, complemented by your LED rear lights to ensure you are visible to other road users. This vehicle stands on these black Ford Performance 20-inch alloy wheels, complementing the car's exterior perfectly. As we move into the rear, we're met with the stunning two-toned leather and suede upholstery with your red stitching, as well as Isofix anchor points to secure those child seats and a movable armrest with exposed cup holders. In the back as well, you'll find your ventilation system as well as your controls for your two rear heated seats and charge ports. Into the vehicle's spacious boot now with ample of room inside, perfect for the daily essentials like the weekly food shop. Moving into the front of the cabin, the stylish look continues with that same upholstery on the front two seats as the back. We also get a glimpse here at your panoramic sunroof, perfect for letting the light in those summer months, and your front seat is also electrically adjustable to help you find your perfect driving position. Taking a closer look, we have your multifunctional steering wheel and ahead your digital display, where as you can see you can change the drive mode of the vehicle depending on your journey that day. This vehicle is also perfect for off-road driving with its snow and slippery mode. Moving over to the infotainment system, you can explore all of the radio options available, as well as connect your own devices to your music, or to make and receive those all-important phone calls. Navigation is also provided, ensuring you never get lost on those unfamiliar journeys, and you can also connect via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone connectivity to third-party apps like Waze and Google Maps. You can also adjust your Bang & Olufsen sound system inside the vehicle for premium sound quality. When we shift the car into reverse, a rear camera with sensors is also provided. Below we have your easy-to-use climate control with your two front heated seats, and below that there, a USB and a USB-C charge port. Thank you for watching this presentation on this automatic Ford Kuga in grey. If you are interested in this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team here at Motor Match Stoke.